Burgess Falls State Park Natural Area. In 1793, Thomas Burgess, who was one of the first white settlers, was granted this land for his service during the Revolutionary War. And then from 1928 to 1944, they used this river to generate hydroelectric power for the city of Cookeville. And then in 1973, this land became a state natural area. And over 200,000 people come every single year to view the falls. And that's exactly why we're here today. So let's go check it out. Originally populated by Creek, Chickasaw, and Cherokee Indians until the late 19th century. They used this land for hunting and fishing. I can't imagine how beautiful it was back then when it was just untouched and used for its natural abilities. I mean, it's beautiful now, but I bet it was just breathtaking back then. Right here up on it is absolutely beautiful. We loved it. We hope you'll like it. Please like, comment, subscribe.